Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can make your lightening carrot body butter. This body butter is natural, like all of the ingredients I'm going to be using, you guys will see all of the ingredients that it's not a pro-mixing, it's natural, organic. Okay, so this is my carrot because I'm using this because I just need a little amount of the carrot in this recipe. Okay, so right now I'm going to be shading my carrot. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So after which I'm going to add all of the other ingredients into it. So guys, this is the carrot. So right now I'm going to be blending it. Going to add it here. So right now this is my carrot, as you can see. So I'm going to be adding my oil. So in this recipe I'm going to be using my sunflower oil. So this is my sunflower oil. So I'm going to be measuring it out. So right now I'm going to be measuring out 25% of my sunflower oil, which is 37.5 gram, because I'm making 150 gram of my body butter. $37.5. So right now I'm going to be adding it here. So the reason why I'm adding this here, I want to use it to blend this carrot. So if you're making this for yourself, please do not add water. Please and please do not add water. Okay, do not add water. So because I'm not using water in this recipe, I'm using oil. Okay, so right now I'm going to stick blend it. So guys, this is a puree, so it's fully blended. Now I'm going to set it aside. Now I'm going to be measuring out the rest ingredients. So this is my shea butter. So I'm going to be using just 15 my shea butter. So I'm going to be measuring it out. So that's 15 my shea butter. Next on my list is my beeswax. Just need 28.5 gram of my beeswax. So I'm going to be measuring it out. So that's my beeswax. I'm going to be measuring out my beeswax. I'm going to be measuring out 10% of my beeswax, which is 15 gram. Okay, so let's measure it out. So that's 15%. Sorry, that's 15 gram. I'm going to be measuring out my sunflower oil. Okay, I'm going to be adding sunflower oil into this recipe. So that's 15 gram of my sunflower oil. So right now I'm going to set this aside to be taking out the juice, because that's what I need. So I'm going to be using this to sieve out all what I need for this. Sorry guys, I don't want to make mess here. So so right now I'm going to be pouring it here. Yeah. I'm going to be adding it in here. Yes, going to be turning it here. So after much, I'm going to sieve it again to see if there is still particles left. Okay, that's for the second time. So right now I'm going to go and double boil it in this hot water for it to melt down. Yeah, so this is a hot water. I'm going to leave it for some time for it to melt down, then I'll be right back. Okay, this is my oil. So it has fully melted down. So I'm going to be removing this here. Yeah, so right now I still have some particles inside. So now I'm going to be sieving it the second time. So I'm going to be using this. So you guys should just pardon the stain. That's because I've been using it of lately, but it's very, very clean. Yeah. For the second time. So guys, next is my rose hip oil. So rose hip oil is very, very good for the skin. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding just 15 gram of my rose hip oil. So I'm going to be measuring it out. Meanwhile, my oil is beginning to solidify, as you guys can see. So I need to be very, very fast. So I just need 15 gram of it. This body butter is going to repair your skin, guys, believe me. It's going to lighten up your skin. Okay, so now this 15, just some few drop of fragrance. So these are rose fragrance. Okay, yeah, rose fragrance. So I'm going to be adding just, okay, so some percent of my vitamin, 1% of my vitamin. So this is my vitamin, 1%. I'm going to be adding my preservative. The reason why I'm adding preservative is because of the fruit, okay, which is the carrot juice. Meanwhile, it was getting solidifying. I needed to heat it a little bit, so that's why it's like this. So this is my container that I just need for this recipe. So now I'm going to be pouring it inside our container. So guys, this is our body butter. So right now I'm going to place it in my refrigerator for it to solidify. So once it's solidified, I'm going to bring you guys back. So guys, this is our body butter. Okay, I just removed it from fridge. So this is how it look like. Yeah, okay, so as you can see how beautiful it look like. Now for some people will be asking, why didn't I whip it? Now the reason why I did not whip it is because I don't want it to be fluffy. Yeah, you can go ahead and whip yours, but I don't want it to be fluffy. I want it to be solid like this. That's why I decided to do it this way, and that's the reason why I add a lot of beeswax more than the ewax in this recipe. I want it to be solid like this. Yes, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how it look like when you apply it on your. So this is it. When you apply it on your skin, it absorbs into your skin. Okay, so you can make it to be fluffy, no problem, but this is how it look like. Okay, you see. So if you like this recipe, please ensure to give me a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please ensure to subscribe to my channel, and I guess I'll see you all in my next video. Wow, take a look at my hand. See the glow, you see, very natural. So thank you so much guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.